Two law enforcement officers were struck and killed late Friday by a swerving vehicle on the shoulder of Interstate 270 in Montgomery County, Maryland State Police said Saturday. The law enforcement officers were off duty, police said. One officer had crashed his own vehicle on the highway and the other had stopped to help when the second vehicle struck them, police said. The first victim is identified as Deputy Chief State Fire Marshal Sander B. Cohen, 33, of the Office of the State Fire Marshal. The second victim is identified as Supervisory Special Agent Carlos Wolf, 36, of the FBI. About 10 p.m. Friday, Cohen called the state police and reported he was at the scene of a crash on southbound I-270 near Good Drive in Montgomery County, police said. He requested assistance and blocked the approach to the damaged vehicles with his personal vehicle and activated his emergency flashers, police said. His actions placed him in an official capacity at that time. The driver of the crashed vehicle was Wolf, police said. Both officers were standing in the shoulder of the highway when a 2000 Honda Accord swerved to the left, apparently to avoid the vehicles in lane 1 and struck both men on the shoulder, police said. The two officers were thrown over the Jersey Wall onto the northbound lanes of I-270, where it appears at least one of them was struck by a northbound vehicle, police said. Cohen was pronounced dead at the scene. Wolf was pronounced dead at Suburban Hospital. Also taken to Suburban Hospital were the driver and a passenger of the vehicle that struck the officers, police said. The cause of the initial crash involving Wolf's vehicle remains under investigation. Evidence shows, for reasons unknown at this time, that the vehicle struck the concrete barrier on the left side of the highway and became disabled in the fast lane, police said. A preliminary investigation did not indicate that alcohol was involved in the crashes, and no charges have been filed, police said. The incident remains under investigation. The highway was closed overnight but all lanes had reopened by 6 a.m., police said. Cohen had been a member of the Office of the State Fire Marshal for 9 years, according to police. Deputy Chief Cohen had no idea who was inside the vehicle he stopped behind, Colonel William Palazzi, State Police Superintendent, said. He just recognized that someone needed help and he never hesitated last night to stop and help someone in need. Deputy Chief State Fire Marshal Sander Cohen has now joined the ranks of Maryland's fallen heroes. Gov. Larry Hogan expressed his condolences on Twitter Saturday morning. The First Lady and I are heartbroken to learn of the tragic loss of two law enforcement officers who were struck and killed last night on I-270. We are praying for their families and loved ones in this time of grief. K. Rector at baltsun.com. Twitter.com/rectorzun